Um, I am a qualified intelligence operative, currently working with Victoria Police, and I have more than 20 years of experience in the intelligence sector. I was looking for a program that would meet my requirements, and some of my requirements were I was wanting a program for women, run by women. I wanted a program where I could actually overcome the lack of trust in my ability. And I think Sheena worked a lot on that, and probably a platform to network with other women as well. I would say that this program has some kind of an authenticity. The moderators were are genuinely interested in helping you out, and you just have to reach out. The experience of being with other women cohort also who have been there, done that, was quite invaluable for me. And you're also working alongside with other like-minded women, which sort of puts you at ease. I would say that this program actually builds your confidence to back yourself. The program sort of empowered me to tap into my potential, and it's also gave me an opportunity to explore a range of communication methods to engage effectively. The 2-minute pitch in front of the panel helped me a lot to identify my areas for improvement. And also, there was another module about being strategic in your approach, looking at your transferable skills and how you can explore those skills. I feel that I was able to find my voice through the one pager. You sort of tweak the one pager and you sort of refine your personal purpose. And I think the document has sort of become my reference point. I've actually been able to refocus on what I need, what I'm looking for. I said I'll be using this one pager for my next PDA session that I'm going to have with my senior sergeant.